Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install GitHub Desktop in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google GitHub Desktop and here we will be having the official link desktop.github.com. Just click here and here we will be having the download for Windows option. Select it. If you want Mac, here you're having the Mac download also. And the download will be getting started. It is around 185 MB in size. So just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it. And that's it. We'll be getting the welcome to GitHub desktop interface like this. Here we can sign in with our GitHub account or our GitHub enterprise account. And if you don't have an account, you can just click on create your free account. So I'll just click on sign in to github.com. This will redirect you to the browser. Here you can sign in with your GitHub. And once you sign in, it will say open GitHub desktop. Just click here. Here all the repositories that we have will be displayed and we can just start using it. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.